Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw the deer versus the owl versus the ram from 99 Nights in the Forest. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our 99 Nights in the Forest battle, let's begin with the deer. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making an oval shape right here for the eye of the deer. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve around, and that's just going to kind of curl back up here. I'm going to make a little oval shape that I kind of color in for the nose. Then I'm going to make another little partial oval shape right here. I'm going to make an oval shape here for the eye, and then a partial oval shape right here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of curve around, and then I'm going to bring this back up here. Then I'll just kind of redraw that same shape in here. We'll make like a curve, and then we're just going to bring this line back to here, kind of down for the open mouth. I'm going to make this line kind of come up and then down here for the head. Let's make a line that's going to curve down, and then we're going to bring this back for the ear. Then we'll do that same shape inside. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up to a point and down. We're going to do this again, and then one more up here. We'll make one that comes out here and then back towards the head. Let's do one here. We're going to curve this up to a point. 1, 2, and then 3. We'll make that little point here and then bring it down. Next, starting here, I'm going to make this line kind of come out, and then I'm going to bring this out. I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of curve down for one of the sharp claws. I'll make another one here. We'll make one more here that we kind of bring up. And we're going to bring this line down, and then we'll make another claw right here. We'll kind of bring this back in for the hand. I want to make this line kind of come down with some points, and then we're going to bring this back here. Next, I'm going to make this line kind of come out, and I'm going to put one of these big claws kind of right around here. Then I'm going to bring this kind of down with some points and then back here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down with some points. Then I'm going to make this line kind of come down. We're going to angle it back. Then we're going to come down to here. Make the line kind of come down and over. We're going to bring this back up. We're going to come in and then back up. I'm going to curve this line here. Then I'm going to bring this line down with a few little points to kind of give it that fur texture. Then I'm going to bring this line down to here, and I'm going to stop right there. I'm going to bring this line in. We'll make a little line for the hoof, and then we're just going to kind of curve it around. Now we're going to leave it like this, and I'm going to come up here and add one of the other characters. So I'm going to make the owl up here. We want it to be kind of like a big battle, like all these guys just really got into it. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to make the beak. So I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come down. And we're going to curve it around like this. I'm going to make a big oval shape here for an eye. And then I'm going to make a smaller oval shape here for an eye. I'm going to make a big circle inside of here, and then another big circle inside of here. I'm going to make this line kind of curve up for the mouth and kind of curve up here. I'm going to bring this line down and then up here. Then I'm going to make a couple little curved lines on here like this. Then I'm going to bring this line up to here, towards the top. And then we're going to make a couple little points. I'm just going to kind of bring this back around here. I'm going to make a couple little points here, so it kind of looks like the deer has like his hand wrapped around the owl's neck. I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come down. And we're going to make a couple little bumps right here, right on top of the arm of the deer. I'll make a line that's going to come down and then up here for the other arm. Then we're going to come down with some long points, so it looks like the owl is kind of trying to like scratch at the deer. I'm going to bring this here, and I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down here. And then we're going to curve a line down here with a couple little points. Let's add some claws onto the hand here. And then we can make this little zigzag line there. We'll also make a little line here for the other part of the arm. Now, right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to make these zigzags and kind of curve it back. I'll make this line come down and then back here. Then we're going to put some of those big claws on here. So once again, it kind of looks like the owl's trying to get at the deer. Bring this line down, and we're going to come back here. We'll put some little claws on there. We'll make a little line here, and we'll bring this down. I'll make another line that's going to come out with some more zigzags for the other leg. We're going to make this kind of come down here and make this leg kind of go back here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out like this and up, and then we're going to make these little points on here for the feathers. And then same thing here, we're going to make this line come out, and we're going to make these points come back here. Then we're going to add some small little like V shapes right along here. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to kind of come down and around the top of the wing. And a few little lines for some feathers. Now, over here, let's make the ram. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of curve around for the eye of the ram. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve around like this for like the nose or the snout. Then we're going to make it kind of like a V shape that's going to come around. We can just kind of color this in. Next, I'm going to make like an oval shape here. Then I'm going to make these little sideways oval shapes here for the pupils. I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then we're going to bring this back up. We'll curve right around here, and then we'll bring this down for the other side of the mouth. We'll make a couple little pointed lines like this for his beard, so it kind of looks like he's in motion a little bit. I'll make this line come up with some points. I'm going to bring it down. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to curve it around like this for the horn. I'm going to curve this here, and I'm going to bring this back here and curve it around. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to curve it up here for a point. Then we're just going to curve a line there. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out for the ear. We're going to bring this line down to here. And we'll curve a little line out for the ear. We're going to make it kind of look like the ram is on the ground, like maybe the deer took him down. So I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of come out for the arm, and I'm going to bring this down here. I want to make a line that's going to come up and down for the claws, one here, and then one here. Then we're going to make a fourth one over here for like the thumb. We're going to bring this up, and then I'm going to bring this back over here. Now, we left this part open, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve down and then around like this. Then I'm going to make a line here, and we're going to curve this around and make a couple more so it kind of looks like the ram is grabbing the deer's leg. We're going to bring this up and in here. I'm going to curve this around, and we're going to bring this up and in. Next, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of make some points over here for like the body of the ram. Then I'm going to make a few more points here. We're going to make this line come down and kind of curve around for the hoof. And then we'll bring this up and put a little line here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of come down and back like this. I'm going to make this line kind of curve around here for the hoof of the ram. We're going to bring this line up and kind of curve it up here. Then we're just going to bring this line around there. We'll make a little line for that hoof. Then we're just going to make a line that's going to come down and back for that other leg. And a line here, so it's going to kind of curve around. Make that line across and a line there for the hoof. Then the final thing is on the ram, I'm just going to add these little curved lines real quick, just for like some detail on the horns. And there you go, there is your drawing of a battle of the 3 main bad guys from 99 Nights in the Forest. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.